Picture this. You wake up, birds are singing, sun is shining, but something's off. It's eerily quiet. You check your phone, chaos. Every person with a Y chromosome has vanished. Gone. Just like that. At first, there's a weird sense of freedom. No more mansplaining, no thermostat wars, and every sock has a mate. But the celebration is short-lived. You try calling your dad, brother, son, nothing but silence. The world's population is halved overnight. Boy bands, late-night hosts, the guy who grills in the rain, all gone. It's not just about missing people. It's about missing half the workforce, half the ideas, half the support. Imagine the shock. Half the players in a global game just vanished mid-move. The world is stunned, searching for answers, and suddenly everything feels uncertain. The initial quiet turns from peaceful to unsettling. The big question isn't just where did they go, but what do we do now? Jobs, families, entire industries are thrown into chaos. The ball is still in the air, and everyone left is looking around, stunned. The shock is global, a collective gasp, then a scramble for solutions. The world as we knew it is gone, replaced by a strange new reality. It's the ultimate cosmic joke, but nobody's laughing yet. One thing's certain, things are about to get very interesting. The world is forever changed, and the story is just beginning. Welcome to a world without men. The men are gone. After the shock, the world feels lighter, traffic's a breeze, coffee lines are short, and parking is a dream. But soon the gaps appear. Flights are grounded, pizza shops closed, newsrooms half empty. Women everywhere start calling, checking in, forming new support networks. Social media explodes with memes and theories. Where did the men go trends worldwide. The men's section in stores becomes a museum of plaid and cargo shorts. The airwaves are filled with female voices, and a new sense of camaraderie emerges. Neighborhoods organize, friends step up, and women take charge. The world adapts fast, problem-solving, cooperating, and filling in the blanks. It's a roller coaster: fear, confusion, then surprising empowerment. By day's end, a new normal is taking shape. The world feels wobbly, but there's a current of strength and resilience. The first 24 hours are a wild ride, but hope is already on the horizon. Day 2. Now it's about survival. Who keeps the lights on and the water running? Many essential jobs were held by men, but systems keep humming until something breaks. Suddenly, every woman is an engineer, mechanic, or IT specialist in training. Manuals and YouTube tutorials become lifelines. Book clubs turn into car repair squads, and skill sharing explodes. The myth that only men can fix things is shattered. Women step up, learn fast, and get their hands dirty. There are blackouts and mistakes, but determination wins out. Teams form, knowledge spreads, and the world keeps running. The power comes back because women refuse to give up. Water flows again because someone's willing to try. Skills don't have a gender, they belong to those willing to learn. The world is messy, but it's moving forward. Necessity turns everyone into a problem solver. With chaos comes opportunity. Gender roles vanish, and women step into every role imaginable. The overlooked strategist runs logistics. The quiet librarian operates heavy machinery. Innovation explodes. Products and services are redesigned from a fresh perspective. Workplaces shift. Collaboration, empathy, and communication become the new normal. Meetings are efficient, solutions are creative, and teamwork is everything. Society rebuilds itself, not perfectly, but with new energy and ideas. It's not a utopia, there are still challenges, but competence and compassion lead the way. Rosie the Riveter gets her ultimate encore. Every woman becomes her own hero, building and leading in ways never imagined. The world is rebuilt by those who dare to try. So what's the point of this wild thought experiment? Not that the world is better without men. We need each other, dads, brothers, friends, everyone. This scenario shows how much we rely on one another and how we underestimate our own abilities. You have skills you haven't discovered yet, and you can learn anything. Don't wait for a crisis to become more self-sufficient. Start now. Appreciate the people in your life, whatever their role. Everyone brings something valuable to the table. Let's stop taking each other for granted and start celebrating our differences. Learn something new, share your knowledge, and build each other up. The world is stronger when we work and grow together.